really bad at describing scents. Hello everybody! Welcome back to the channel. Oh my goodness, I have got an exciting unboxing today, you guys. Yes, I do. Oh my god, I have been stalking the FedEx UPS guys that go by in their U-Hauls because, you know, there ain't enough trucks now. I've been waiting for this box and it is here. It just got here today on a Sunday and I'm like, yep, unboxing right now. I started screaming when they pulled up and Joe like thought we got a boat delivered. I was like, no, it's just our pharmacy box. But there's some exciting things in here, you guys. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to show you what I got. Okay, let's dive in. Farmasi released some gift sets this holiday season. This is actually like a perfume and body wash, body lotion set. This one is the Cheer perfume. That's what this set looks like right here. Nice and fancy. Don't look at my nails, guys. I need to get them done. They're like haggard, so don't look at my nails. So I'm just gonna show you these real quick before I go and tell you kind of what they smell like. I'm really bad at describing scents, you guys, so I'm gonna try, okay? But then this was another one that I got. This is called Chase Me. This was another one of the gift sets. Like, they're so beautiful for gift sets, you guys. Like, they have them packaged, like, already looking like a gift. And then here is that one. Okay. So both of those have a body wash, perfume, and body lotion. Then I actually snagged one for Joe too. This is one of the men's new colognes that they have. And a lot of the ladies that had bought one for their husbands or their boyfriends, you know, or brother, anything, they were saying that this one kind of reminded them of that like Abercrombie scent. And I actually really like that smell. So like, if you've ever been into an Abercrombie and Fitch like store, you know the smell. It's a very signature smell. And this actually smells very similar to that. And I actually had Joe like already spray it on just to like see what it smelled like with his body chemistry, because y'all, perfumes and cologne smell different on each person because of body chemistry. I know that sounds crazy, but it's true. But here's what the men's one looks like. And so this one actually has an aftershave as well as a body wash. And yeah, it's fancy. It's fancy, y'all. Like, it's got some nice detail on there, like nice thick glass, like it's heavy duty, okay? I really love it. Like, it reminds me so much of the Abercrombie smell, like the men's cologne, like that signature Abercrombie smell. Like, if you like that scent, try this. I'm not gonna try to pronounce this name, you guys. I am gonna butcher that name, but there's the name of it. I will butcher it, I know I will. I will go back here. Okay, I am not going to lie. I am a big fan of the Marc Jacobs, like Daisy, like all of the Daisy perfumes. I haven't personally found a perfume that I'm like totally like crazy about, like sold out for with Farmasi. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm not gonna tell you like I love everything if I don't. Like, I will give you an honest review. The Chase Me, so okay, here's the thing. I like the smell of it when I smell the actual like bottle, but when I spray it on and it like that initial scent goes away, I don't really like the after smell of it. So that's just my personal review. Like I said, it does smell different on everybody because I know a lot of people actually really like this perfume. And a lot of people will say that this is kind of more of like a younger scent, quote unquote. I mean, we all have that generality of that, like that kind of powdery or musky smell for like more mature women. So these two are actually a couple that people have said are more on the kind of like younger perfume smelling side, whatever that means. And then Cheer, this one right here. Here's this one, nice fancy bottle. It's like thinner this way, so it's more of a flat bottle. This is the same thing. I like the smell of it when I'm smelling it on here, but then once I get it on me, like I don't like the smell of it on me. So I don't know, it could just be me and my senses, but I haven't been a huge perfume person. Ever since having Asher, I've been super sensitive to like really strong perfume smells. So I only wear perfume like my Marc Jacobs like Daisy, that line. I only wear that like special occasions, like weddings, big events, anything like that. But otherwise, I will just use my Farmasi, the Pearl body spray. That's my favorite. I'm not a huge fan of the Blossom one, or the Bloomfest. That reminds me more of like a Sweet Pea from Bath and Body Works, the Bloomfest. So if you like that, like kind of Japanese cherry blossom, that smell, definitely you would like the Bloomfest. So this stuff here I actually got as an incentive for hitting like a certain personal volume. The Deep Black Mascara, which this is awesome. I use that one. And then one of the ink liners. Again, don't look at my nails, they are ratchet. And this nice, it's a glitter makeup bag. It's like a rose gold glitter makeup bag. It's so cute. I can never have enough makeup bags, okay? These are a couple limited edition items. This is like the 24 karat gold glam. This is an eyeshadow palette, and these are the lipsticks. So I will show you here. This, you guys, the eyeshadow palettes are what I have been like dying to get my hands on. So this, like I said, I believe this one's going to be more limited edition. The other ones are, those ones are going to be something that is going to, you know, stay. Here is the 24 karat gold glam. Like, how beautiful are those colors? Those just totally remind me of like New Year's Eve vibes. I don't know about you, but like even like the blackish, like charcoaly colored one has like gold flecks in it. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's like all that very like vintage, like smoky colors and taupes and golds, and yeah, so I'm stoked to use this, you guys. They went all out with these 24 karat gold glam lipsticks. Like, look at this. Like, if you are a fan of like vintage lipsticks, oh my gosh. Get yourself these before they are not carrying them anymore. I hope they stay in stock, but I don't know if they're gonna stay on the website or not. But you guys, oh my God. Okay, so here's this color here. This is one of the colors that comes in it, okay? I'm gonna show you here. And they're so like creamy when they go on, okay? Anyone a fan of purple? Because they have a purple in here too, which I'm ecstatic about. Look at that color. Is that not beautiful? Like these lipstick tubes are legit beautiful. So there's the purple. Gorgeous, right? I'm a big fan of purple lipstick. And then this one, your classic red. Look at that red. Yes. Yes, yes. They're so creamy and so buttery feeling when they go on. Y'all, oh my goodness. Okay, so Farmasi stepped their game up. They got hand sanitizer because, you know, like, we need it now, especially. And then a disinfecting hand wash. It is wrapped in the plastic, so it's probably like hard to read right now, but they have it all like wrapped up. Here's some of the new items. Actually, all this is new. Here's some of the new. Okay, so this is the Glow Highlight Palette. So we do have a highlight trio already, which this is kind of similar to it, but I think they're just a little bit more intense than the one that we already have. And I will cover this, but there is a mirror inside here. This is what the outside looks like. And then here are the trio colors. Like, how pretty is this one? This one here, I am like so excited to use this like pinkish, kind of pinkish purpley. I don't know. Like, look at that. Look at how pigmented that is. Yes, I can't wait to use that for my highlight. Sorry, I'm getting like way too excited about this stuff. Like I said, I was like screaming when he dropped it off on our porch today. Dun, da, 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 you guys, eyeshadow palettes. I know everybody that has heard of Farmasi or is with Farmasi, we have all been waiting on big eyeshadow palettes, okay? These are all of the eyeshadow palettes. Applause, applause. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, and they really put a lot of thought and everything into the packaging. It's so pretty. Like, this is like kind of like elevated, so there's like glittery stuff on there. It's got like the 3D lettering on there. It's like, it's beautiful. The packaging is seriously beautiful. So they really put some like thought and love into this. Okay, so these are the colors. It does come with like a plastic covering on it. I will peel that baby off. Look at all these beautiful colors. These are like life if you just really want that like everyday palette that you can like kind of, you know, switch up and still like switch up your look and everything, but still have all of your like basic like go-to like daily needed colors. Can't talk. But yeah, so there's those. Beautiful. That is the Glam Up palette, okay? And then this one here, we have the Iconic palette. Again, with the packaging, same thing, very beautiful, 3D lettering. This is raised, all the glitter on there, like sparkles. Look at these beautiful colors. And then this one is gonna offer just a few more like brighter color pops, blues, greens, some like reddish colors. And then a lot of them are very like shimmery. There are some matte colors as well on the bottom row here. I'll peel that off and show you. They are gorgeous. Gorgeous, seriously. Okay, and then the Wanderlust. And then all of them do have the mirrors, so you can see my ring light there. So this one, there we go. This one has got tons of colors in there. It's got some purpley hues, some browns, some rusty colors, some more of those like peachy kind of melon ones. It's got like almost like a bluish charcoaly color here. Like seriously, there's mattes, there's shimmers, there's like everything you need in this palette. So y'all, get you some eyeshadow palettes because I'm like so stoked to use these. Okay, so then another one of our new items is the green vegan mascara. So if you are very into like having your products be like completely like no animal products used, nothing like that. If you want a really good vegan mascara, here it is. Here is the green, okay? That's what the bottle of it, the tube looks like. Ooh, I like that brush. I like that brush a lot. Sorry, try to, okay? So I will give my review on some of these as I use them. Like I said, I'm just unboxing right now to kind of show you guys what everything looks like. I did grab me one of these like facial, like scrubby sponge things. It's kind of a nice like exfoliant to use. They were actually out of these for a long time, so I was really excited to snag one when they came back in stock. So I don't know if you can see that, the texture of it, but it's still really like soft and gentle, but it's gonna exfoliate your skin really, really well. And then they also, I believe this one is gonna be more like limited edition, but so the dish soap, so a lot of like the cleaning products like dish soap, the spray, all that stuff, they came out with a new scent. And it's called Frosted Juniper, which I love the original Mr. Wipes. Like it's a very lemony fresh scent and I love it. Like I almost like didn't even grab this because I love the original one so much, but I was like, you know what? I need to grab it because I need to see what this smells like. I'm not that great with scents, so I don't really know what juniper is supposed to smell like. Drop some comments if you know what it's supposed to smell like, but it kind of has almost like a minty-ish smell along with that like clean and fresh. This is gonna sound so weird, but like the initial smell reminds me of like Sprite. Like when you pour a Sprite over ice. I don't know. I'm weird. And then I also grabbed the fabric refresher spray of that too. I got it on my hands because I already unscrewed it before this to like smell it. Whoops. I'll just rub it on my fabric here, you know, refreshing the fabric. Oh my gosh, you guys. Last big thing here that I was so excited to get in. So there was a like whitening and brightening skincare line that they had released over in Europe. And so it was really big over there. We were waiting to get everything finalized so that we could launch it here in the US because there's different hoops that they have to jump through to launch products here in the US as opposed to in Europe. So there's just different standards that each line has to meet and everything. So they were making sure that everything was up to par and everything was ready to go to launch it in the US. So that's what this line is. It is called the Lumi Radiance line. Okay, this is the same thing as like the whitening brightening line that they have over in Europe and the other countries. So exciting because what this is actually going to do, I haven't done a ton of research myself on it, so I will do more of a in-depth video because obviously I've been ranting enough about all my products. But so what this is going to do, it's going to even out skin tone. It's going to help with like dark spots, age spots. I know like a lot of ladies will get like skin discoloration after pregnancy, stuff like that. So this is really, really great for that. It is a 5-step process. And then this is the brightening cream, and this is actually our first product that we have actually been able to label with SPF on it, because a lot of the products, like, they have a certain level of like sun blocking in it, but with the differences between the countries and how they label things, we have had to make sure that like we've went through some steps and everything to make sure that we can put SPF on our products. So this is the first product that has actually gotten labeled with SPF. So they are working on getting that on all of the products and getting everything formulated correctly for us. So I'm so excited, but like I said, it is a 5-step process. These are the 5 products here, okay? So we have, this is the brightening tonic. It has plastic wrap on it, so you probably can't read it, but this is the brightening tonic. This is the brightening cream. So this is gonna be like your face cream. And we actually got another eye cream. So we have the Age Reversist eye cream, but this is the Lumi eye cream. So that's gonna help even more, like lighten and brighten those dark circles. I'm so excited to use that. And then this is the brightening serum, as well as the exfoliating cleanser. And then also I did snag one of these. They have a brightening soap bar. So this actually can be used on your body, and it's just going to kind of help brighten up that dull, tired looking skin. So I'm so excited to use it, you guys. I'm so excited to use all of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, anything like that, go ahead and drop them below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and I hope you all have a fabulous holiday season.